passing. This word controls many of transgenders' lives, and this is a main topic that we should discuss more about, because for us trans women, for the majority of us, the main goal of our transition is to pass. Whether you like it or not, that's the reality. How to pass as a trans woman. Today, I'm going to share with you here all my top secrets of passing as a transgender feminine female in society. Now, the very first thing that we need to know is how to dress, of course. If you're wearing something baggy, which doesn't show your figure very much, it can totally ruin your look, your overall feminine look that you're trying to present to other people, because you need to dress in a certain way that can show and bring up your femininity. Now, the second thing that I want to share with you, wear makeup. Now, I'm talking about the very early stages of your transition. You need to learn at least how to make a natural makeup look. Definitely learn to do your makeup, girl, because that's very important in your transition, to know how to feminize your appearance with makeup. Third thing, show confidence. Work on your confidence. Show the outside world what a beautiful, feminine, delightful, and pretty woman that you are. Don't be afraid to show the sides of yourself. Walk confidently, head straight up, walk tall, walk elegantly. Show the world that you're the most feminine and beautiful version of you. Yeah, I'm talking about you. That's you, honey. Fourth thing is to definitely wait for your hormones to take action, because if you're not on hormones, or you're only at the very beginning, you won't succeed to pass as much as you will with hormones. Hormones will make you be more feminine, so of course that you need to let the hormones take their part in your passing journey. Alright, guys? Now, I know that passing can be hard at times, especially when you're not all the way through your transition. But you need to remember that how you feel is what you show outside. So wear something feminine, something that makes you feel flirty, alright? Like this. You can see my shoulder here, and it's very feminine and beautiful, and I very much like this look. Okay, now 6, you have to let your hair grow out. It's very important for you to pass. Hair is everything, trust me. When you have a long, beautiful, luscious hair, and you take a good care of it, you do oil treatments, you wash it properly, you style it properly, then you're going to have a much easier time to pass in society. Because if you look at a far distance at a person and you see long hair, you will first assume that this person is a female. And if you see a short-haired person from far away, you'll assume that's a male. So definitely grow your hair so you can have long, beautiful, feminine hair. Number 7, paint your nails. Get your nails done. You don't have to go to the salon to get your manicure done, but definitely you can just even like make them look more even, file them, buff them a little bit, maybe even some clear polish, and you're good to go. Just make sure that your hands look put together and people will perceive you more as a female. Number 8. Make sure that you're smooth. Shave yourself. Make sure that you don't have some hair in places that females don't have. No hairy hands, no hairy feet or legs. Just make sure that you're smooth to the god, honey. Number 9. Smile more. Yes, you need to smile more, because when you smile, you show your true feminine side of you, and you tell the world that you're happy, that you're feminine, and that you're beautiful. So definitely smile more so that can people perceive you as a more delicate soul, beautiful and feminine person. Okay guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And if you're not subscribed yet, you need to subscribe now. I'm waiting. Are you done? Great, thank you. I love you. And like my video, it's really helping my YouTube algorithm, so more people can educate and benefit from my videos. So I really want to reach as many people as possible, like I can help you. So please, if you can help me and do like my video, it will be so helpful and help me to reach more of you. Have a great day, great evening and great morning. Love you guys so much. Bye guys.